Aleshia Penney driving the orange thing. Giocattaolo.
What's it called?
Giocattolo. Here, come on.
Was set for a podium finish in high country, had a slight...
Turn 2 right in. 60, 9 left short into 6 left narrow. So 6 left narrow, 7 right entry out, becomes 3. So it becomes 3 up here, then 6 left short, 100.
Last time we saw you, you did a good job in that car. Looked great in here.
Thank you. I was very tentative coming through here. It's all these hay bales everywhere.
What's happened? You've had a shave and you've cut your hair.
Have I?
Have you taken some beard off?
No.
It must be the balaclava or something. How did the car go?
Car went faultlessly, no issue at all. So very happy with that.
This is going to go, but
oh no!
Not so well.
Not that then.
Oh, fuck off.
All right, 150, 9 left mid bumpy.
Fuck.
Into flat right, out 120 over flying finish. Then brow flat 9 right 200. So brow flat 9 right 200. Oh gosh, that was a disaster.
Oh dear. Flat brow 150. So flat brow 150. Then brow 40, 9 left. So brow 40, 9 left. Brow 10 right. Push to pass.